Welcome to Apple Official Traders YouTube channel. So this is the second day. So with that being said, now it's a Monday. I have to go live on TikTok and do a market breakdown and just share my point of view of how I see the market and what do I anticipate upon that. So basically this time around, we're gonna see how far I can get. I have an equity of like $8, so we're just gonna see how far we can take that $8 by the end of the week. And yeah, so right now I'll be actually going live on TikTok, so I'm just gonna show you the charts that I already have. But in the meantime, like when I go live, I clean up the charts and redo everything just to explain to the people how I went about doing the analysis part. You see that so far I'm just gonna show you the setups that I already have now. Come in. 10. Yeah.
Ya kgone go ya ibe 10 around fele nte ke lebeletseng eo man loss itle ka mo
Around already.
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay. Yeah,
Mara sanjo ro delete ayo.
delete ya mo. Oh shit, delete them.
Ro kana press backspace ya to. Kama uko. Tiga error.
Okay.
Yona ashi ye ke.
Yeah.
To go already to check the YouTube shumishang every now and then.
Pela kir kar
So that uska to serinya ka phone.
Azur kiriya mara kir kar.
So okay, one. Equal one. College one. Okay, there you go. So here kela retail itlanga mfasi ne.
Oh yeah, come.
Yeah. Yeko. Kela retail itlanga kwa godimo ina kana.
Oh.
Then to do fetcha gona mo screening first, so ke trend line angera. Ke mline o shumishang. Yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Pela kir kar pela na kino ito sa ka. Bisa kamu ni pela ko ni to ya kan.
No any stress.
Thank you.
Sure. So was good. So yeah, that was my cousin. I was fixing his trading view. By the way, we all traded the house. So yeah. Okay, let me show you the screen. So basically currently I'm looking for buying opportunities on USD CAD. You can see right there. And I also, what else? I don't know. I don't think I did analysis, or was about to do an analysis on AUDUSD, so I'm gonna do it live on TikTok. And I think the major other point was that my confluence is from DXY as well. So basically that's it. So I'll just shoot during the day and see how far this things went about, or how far the analysis are going, and how far is the account blue or there's a progress. So yeah. Well, I had an equity of $8. Already took a loss of $5 because of gold. So I have like 6 trades running right now. I know. I have like 6 trades running right now on AUDUSD, SDJPY, and USD CAD. I'm just gonna hold them until I recover that $5, and then I can start new trades, or I'll just leave them to run until. But that's the first loss. let's just see how it goes. How are you? Welcome. This is the second day, as I said, from now it's around 4, I think. And yeah, my $8 account blew because I over risked. Damn. Don't over risk. So now I'm gonna be trading Derive. There's a $10 account, so I'm gonna try and analyze Derive right now, and then after, once I'm done, I'm gonna go and do my hair. So yeah, let me get down to it. And yeah, and I think yeah, I think I'll go do some DZ and do the analysis. Depend. Okay, do DZ and do the analysis. Yeah, let me do my DZ and also analyze, and then take a trade, and then go do my hair. So right now I see I'm gonna try and swing volatility 10 index. So yeah, let me just show you. So I know that the analysis is not as mooi as possible, but I'm expecting rather right there, I'm expecting price to actually retrace up until the 61.8 level, and so I went under 4 hours as well to identify my trends. So under 4 hours I see that we have a weak trend line right there. We also have another weak trend line, which is a confirmation rather for a push to the upside, to say that if we have a weak trend line, we expect price to actually break above this too, right? And also another confirmation was that if I could do this, whenever I draw this thing is and as you can see, price managed to retrace to 61.8 level, so we're expecting it to push upwards right now because it managed to retrace to 61.8 level, so it has to push outside this range that we do have right there. So going again into 1 hour, I'm sorry, my my first day of showing you how I analyze is poor. It is definitely poor, so I'm expecting price to push from this area to the upside. So I wanted to actually go to like 15 minutes time frame just to get this entries properly seen. So currently, let's check 5 minutes again. Let's lower the time frame as much as possible as we can. Okay, 3 minutes. Let's check 3 minutes before we execute our trades. Right, let me draw a horizontal line. Right, so you can see right here we have equal lows. So we have equal lows and price managed to break below those equal lows. So currently, let me just go and execute. So I'm just going to swing them. Let me do this. So I'm going to just swing this 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. As you can see, I tried not to. I have over risked, but I don't wanna overly over risk. So I'm just gonna have my trades around those areas. I'm currently running in a profits of like already $1, so I'm just gonna hold them, and I'll just come and place actually not place, I'm gonna place my stop losses before I leave right now. Yeah, let me go do my hair now before I get late. So I thought of actually doing the DZ. I saw that it's gonna take me time, so I just ended up just eating the muffins straight away. So I'm gonna get out right now and go do my hair so that I can look fresh, and when I come back, it's exercise time, and then yeah, afterwards, yeah, my day hasn't ended. Let me get out. And what else? Oh, I did share a signal in the premium group of AUD USD, which is a sell. So they're currently probably in profits right now. So yeah, it's only USD CAD at the moment that's not respecting, but it hasn't yet hit the stop loss right there, though it because of my personal account I over risked, right? So it blew obviously, but then for them the stop loss is not yet even hit. And then I also sent AUD. Let me just show you them. So you can see USD CAD, it hasn't hit the stop loss, and obviously it's a swing trade until this area. As we can see, it hasn't yet hit the stop loss. Hopefully it may go right. And then AUDUSD, you can see right there, I still gave them a signal of the sell. It's a second entry actually, because at night when I saw this entry, I couldn't send it because probably they were still asleep. And so this is a second entry towards this area. So yeah, so I'm already there in fact, so I'm about to get there and do my hair. So I'm currently just walking in the hood. It's nice though, I don't wanna lie. It's a new place, new everything. I kind of like also I'm learning the language that they use here. So yeah. Well, first of all, let me start with this partner before I can tell you about the trading. Well, I went there to my barber today. Sad news is when I got there, and that bro was talking to me about this Ndawas, was telling me about some few things, and then he had a problem with his machines, so he was busy fixing them today. So I couldn't do my hair. Another problem. So probably I'm gonna, not even probably, tomorrow I'm going, because obviously I went there late. So obviously by the time when he got finished doing his machines, I couldn't do my hair, so it was late, so I had to come back, do the cookings and all of that. But otherwise, let me get down to the part of trading now. As you saw during the day, right, I tried volatility, right? Let me tell you, the sad news is I blew that account. Oh, it's not nice, I don't want to lie. But first of all, I guess just to say, the price did go into direction for quite some few minutes, but it didn't go to the highest profits that I saw. There was I don't think I took the screenshot of it, but I think the highest profits that I saw there was let me take a look at it. I think it was around $2 or $3, and then next thing I saw, poof, clean me out, because I had 4 trades, by the way. I had 4 trades, so the loss was just too much, so it cut out. So deposited another $10. So we're just gonna see how far we can take it, how far we can take this one again. I think I could have survived if I had went with 1 trade, but obviously, as I said, on this one I over risked, and I would say it's understandable, but it's not understandable. Sometimes you need to reprimand yourself and tell yourself the truth, that this is wrong, right? I can't take back time. So the only thing I can do is say, I know that this is what I did and it's a mistake and it was wrong actually. So now let's try and rectify that mistake on this account. So by the time I'm uploading this, just know that I'm gonna take another video starting a new day, which is this day. So this is the last video I'm taking. I hope you guys will like this way. Hopefully as well, just tell me in the comments, what do you guys need me to show to the trading part, because I have no lifestyle, by the way. I'm just a normal person living. But otherwise, I'm gonna jump into the markets. I'm not going to be starting to take trades. I already have some few things. As I said, I did send out some signals. Okay, let me leave this part to see in the upcoming day. Thank you. This is Supra for Share Trader. I love you guys.
Yeah, we coming for it, coming for now.